Hello, paper students. Welcome again in our Math 4 class. And this is Miss Claire. Are you excited to learn your lesson today? In this video, you will learn Chapter 7. It talks about pictograms and bar charts with scales. Are you familiar with pictograms and bar charts? So in this video, you will learn reading and making pictograms with scales. And you can find this lesson in your pupils book pages 96 until 100. This lesson will help you to read and make pictograms with scales and also to learn and interpret pictograms. Are you ready, P4? Come on, let's start. Okay, let's start learning about pictogram. What is a pictogram? I have here some examples of a pictogram. What have you observed? What can you see on these pictograms? Yes, they have pictures. Because a pictogram is actually a chart that uses pictures to represent a data. Okay, I have here other examples of pictogram. Okay, let's read. Mark keeps a record of the favorite juice of his classmates. So I have here a table of the different juice that his friends like, or the favorite juice of his classmates. So we have here the tally and the frequency. So what is a frequency? A frequency of data is the number of times the data occurs. So here, the frequency is the number of children or the number of his classmates. So orange juice, the frequency is 12, means there are 12 children likes orange juice. Mango juice is 9. So there are 9 children like or it's the favorite juice, the mango juice. Then we have 3 for the avocado juice, and we have 6 children that likes the apple juice. Now, this table of favorite juice can be changed into a pictogram, and it will look like this. Okay. So we have here a key. It means that the one glass represents 3 children. So if we have 4 glasses, it means we have 12 children because we will multiply the 4 glasses into 3. So orange juice, there are 12 children. Mango juice, 3 glasses, so 3 times 3, that is 9 children. Avocado juice is only 1 glass, it means only 3 children. Apple juice has 2 glasses, so it means 6 children. Okay, I have here a question. How many children like orange juice and avocado juice? So how many avocado juice? We have 1 only, 1 glass. How about orange juice? 4 glasses. So let's add 4 plus 1. That is 5. So we have 5 glasses. After that, let's multiply 5 glasses by 3 because 1 glass represents 3 children, and that is equal to 15. And that is 15 children like orange and avocado juice altogether. How about this one? How many more children like mango juice than apple juice? So how many children? For mango juice, we have 3 glasses. And for apple juice, we have 2 glasses. So let's subtract. 3 glasses minus 2 is equal to 1. So 1 glass. So there is 1 more glass than 1 more mango juice than apple juice. So it means, let's multiply the 1 glass by 3. That is equal to 3 children. So there are 3 more children like mango juice than apple juice. I have here another pictogram that shows the number of books on a bookshelf. We have English books, math books, science books, story books, and comic books. Take a look at our key here. A whole triangle represents 10 books. and a half triangle represents 5 books. Okay, take a look how many English books. So we have 2 triangles. We have math books, we have 3 triangles. Science books, we have 1 whole triangle and a half triangle. Story books, we have 3 triangles and a half triangle. And for comic books, we have 2 triangles and a half triangle. Okay, let's answer this question. How many science books and story books altogether? So how many science books? So we have, for science books, we have a whole and a half triangle. For story books, we have 3 triangle and a half triangle. So there are 4 whole triangle and 2 half triangles. So it makes 5 triangles. So again, 1 whole triangle represents 10 books. So 5 triangles times 10, that is 50. So there are 50 science and story books altogether. Another question, the same pictograph. How many more comic books than English books? So how many comic books? We have 2 triangles and a half triangle. So that is equal to 25 books or 25 comic books. For English books, we have 2 whole triangles and that is equal to 20. So what are we going to do next? Let's subtract comic books minus English books. So that is 25 minus 20 and that is equal to 5. So there are 5 more comic books than English books. Okay, another problem and the same pictograph. How many books are there altogether? So we will count all the books. So first, let's count how many whole triangles are there altogether. Can you count? Yes, there are 11 triangles, whole triangles. And we have 3 half triangles. So 11 times 10 is equal to 110 because we have 11 whole triangles, so we will multiply it by 10. And our half triangles, we have 3, so we will multiply it by 5 because half triangle represents 5 books. So we have equals 15. After that, let's add. 110 plus 15 is equal to 125. So there are 125 books altogether. I have here a frequency table and pictogram showing the number of flower stalks in each basket. Take a look here. I have tulip, we have 30, rose 50, the daisy is empty because we were going to try to find how many daisies. And we have lily 25. Now, let's change this frequency table into a pictogram and it will look like this. So, our key here is a circle and it represents 10 flowers or 10 flower stalks. So, for tulip, we have 30, so we will use 3 circles. For half circle, it represents 5 flowers. For the rose, so we have 50, so we have 5 circles. Now, take a look on our daisy. On our frequency table, it's empty, but in our pictogram, we have 3 circles and 1 half circle. So, how many daisies are there? And for our lily, it's empty. So, can you guess or can you find how many circles we will put for lilies? Okay, let's try to find out. I have a question. Yes, our first question is about the daisy flowers. So how many daisy flowers are there? So in our frequency table, as you can see, it's empty. Here, it's empty. But in our pictogram, for the daisy, we can see that there are 3 circles and 1 half circle. Again, one circle represents 10 flowers, and a half circle represents 5 flowers. So, how many daisies are there? Okay, let's count. So, we have 3 circles and 1 half circle, so that is equal to 35. Because 3 times 10, then plus 5. So, there are 35 daisy flowers. Okay, so our frequency table now is already complete. Another question. In pictogram, take a look on our pictogram, this one. How many circles and semicircles represents for 25 lilies? So as you can see in our lily, we have 25 lilies. So in our pictogram, how many circles or half circle it represents? So let's say that is 25 lilies. So 25 is equal to, yes, 2 circles, that is equal to 20, but we have 25, so we will add a half circle. So we need 2 circles and a half circle for the lilies. Okay, so we will put 2 circles and 1 half circle. So children, this is how to make or interpret a pictogram and a frequency table. Okay, P4, that's all about the reading and making pictograms with scales. So do you understand now on how to read and change a table of frequency into a pictogram? So during our Zoom meeting, I will discuss more about pictograms. Thank you for watching P4, and I hope that you learned a lot in this video. Always remember to stay safe and healthy. God bless everybody and have a great day.